Morning everyone, welcome again to our next vlog. Alright, so I've been doing some work. I've been doing, a lot of research. I've been, trying my best to put everything together, trying my best to use a lot of feedback, you know, from everyone, working on everything here and there. It's a work in progress same way. And, I won't get there in one try, but I really appreciate all the support everybody is giving me so far. Mostly good, and I want bad. But here I have to talk about this one bad. People never do something, and you expect a certain reaction from a certain type of people, and then they just throw a curveball at you, and you're like, what happened? You're like, what happened? What going wrong? So we get one comment so far where have me away. I'm like, really? Like, really? What am I do? So based on that, I just have to get it off of my chest. I just have to talk about it, and just to make it clear. You understand that sometimes you can't. Sometimes you have to expect unexpected, pretty much. You have to expect unexpected, build up a stone wall. Because people are going to fling big stone off of you, and sometimes they might lick you. And them lick you, them are hot. So, to be honest, that comment, they lick me, and it mashed me up. It does have me away. I'm like, really though? Really? After, making know go on, just starting to vlog and everything, right? So that comment they have me away. I'm like, alright then, I bounce it off and thing. But here what? I get that off of my chest. Pretty much work at it. All of the feedback, thanks very much. My small group of people, family and friends, thank you very much for the feedback so far. I'm really appreciate it. I'm really working at it. I just want it to be good, in a sense where I can actually, impact, people life. I can just say something and people just laugh. Say something and people, feel relaxed. That type of vibe they may try for bring across now my vlog. Yeah, may I forgot change up a lot of things, but I'll get there eventually. Everything does kick in. Practice makes perfect, as them say. But yeah, this one now, we just want to thank everybody for tuning in, everybody for subscribe so far. I really appreciate that. Oh yeah, people, I reached 15 subscribers, and I can't believe that. 15. But yeah, it's a small amount. Large for some, large for me, 15 and enough that, when you count it, 5, 15, that right? Yeah. So, I just want to give everybody thanks so far for that. So, remember you can add me on Instagram and Twitter at Junior to you, JUNIOR. Number 2, UU. Alright, add me on Twitter. You'll see it down there on the video. Add me on Twitter and Instagram. Add me on Facebook. Go to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share. Leave comments, feedback. CMA is really good. So, it's a beautiful day. Doing my thing as usual. So, I'll fill it in. Check up on and thing here and there. Make you know what I go on. And everything. So, still working on my projects, them people. Enough love.